Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to request a verification code. First, confirm the exact email you used and that it's active. Once done, trigger the code send from the service and immediately switch to your email app. Make sure push notifications are enabled so you see new messages. If you use multiple accounts, focus on the one tied to the service. While waiting, avoid repeatedly requesting codes that can delay delivery or lock attempts. Keep your inbox view refreshed and watch for subject lines containing verification. Now locate the incoming message. Search the inbox with likely keywords such as verification or the sender's name and sort by newest. Once you see the message, scan sender details and subject to confirm authenticity before opening. Make sure to check spam, promotions, or filtered folders if it isn't in the main inbox. When you open the email, note whether the service supplied a numeric code, a clickable link, or an embedded one-time QR. Understanding that format helps you proceed quickly and securely. Finally, enter the code exactly as shown into the service field. Pay attention to confusing characters like letter O versus 0. If the email contained a link, click it rather than typing long codes. This reduces input errors. Once submitted, you'll either be verified or see a prompt to retry. Follow on-screen timing limits. If the code never arrives, wait 2 to 5 minutes, check filters and blocked senders, then request a resend. If problems persist, use an alternate verification method or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.